Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a full high converting product page for your Shopify store, including I'll be showing you a few different high converting sections that you can add to your product page. And this tutorial is for complete beginners with Shopify who are looking to create a professional style product page like professional brands. Let's get straight into the video. First, I'll be covering the basics of how to list a product on Shopify. You'll want to open your Shopify admin, then click Products, which is going to open the page where you can open and edit existing products and you can create new products. I'm going to click this Add Product button, and then you should see a page where you can begin adding your product details to list the product. And I'm going to break down how to truly fill this page in an optimized way. You want to start off by adding your product title. Then you can add in your product description here in the description field. And for your description, you have the option to adjust the formatting of the text. You can also insert pictures and videos throughout the description. I'm going to scroll down to the media gallery section, and you can begin inserting your pictures and videos of your product. A great way to have a truly high converting product page would be to insert high quality photos and as many photos as possible of your product. Also, adding a moving video of your product can help to give your customers more of your product to look at, since they can see that product in motion. So you'll just want to click Upload New, and you can begin uploading your product photos. And after you upload your product photos, you'll have the option to rearrange any of the photos to change the position of them. To upload a video, I'm going to click the plus icon and upload a moving video of the product. Then you can also reposition the video. You can select the product category, and next you'll want to set the pricing for the item. You can add a compare at price to show an example of what the average retailer is selling this product for in comparison to your price. You can insert your cost per item, which can help to calculate your profit and margin. And then under the pricing field, you'll see the inventory section. If it's a physical product, you'll want to select track quantity. Then you can insert the number of units that you have in stock. Under the shipping field, you can select if this is a physical product. Then you can add your packaging details. You want to click Manage Packages to add a new default of what your usual product packaging details are. You also want to insert the product weight for shipping purposes. If you'd like to add variant, like sizes or color options, you can click the plus icon and then select what kind of variant you would like to insert, or you can customize a new variant option. I'm going to select shoe size, then I'm going to go in to list the different shoe sizes, and you can take similar steps if you're listing different colors. To add the shoe sizes, I'm just searching for the number. The different variant sizes will appear down here, and you can set different prices for each variant. You can also set different pictures. For example, if you have the shoes in white and green, you can adjust those variants accordingly. And you want to add the number of inventory you have for each variant. After adding your product variants, let's say you need to add two types of variants, like shoe sizing and shoe colors. You'll just want to click Add Another option to add one for color. This way customers can select which color and which size they would like. Below the variant section, you'll see the category meta field. These can be different specifications and product details for you to clarify the specific type of product that this is. And at the very bottom of this product editing page, you'll see where you can edit the search engine listing display. This is where you can set a new page title and meta description, which is what's going to be visible for the search engine listing. You want to click Save to save your product. And just a few more things before we check out the product page. You want to scroll to the top of your page and make sure that your product status is set to active. This way it's going to be visible in your website. And for the publishing section, you want to select the publishing options for how you'll be selling this product. I'm going to click Manage, and for example, if you'll only be selling on your online store, you can select that and click Include. Under the product organization section, this is where you can specify your type of product. You can list yourself as a vendor or list the vendor of the product. If you have different product collections created, you can select to add this product to a specific product collection. I'm going to add this product to an example collection. Then you can add product tags. Filling in detailed product tags is a good way to have a higher converting product page. Tags will be the different search terms that customers are searching in your website to find the specific type of product. Once you're done, you want to save your product page, and that's how to list a product on your website. Also, I know a lot of you guys are brand new to Shopify, and there's a lot to learn when it comes to the Shopify platform, If you're still in the process of learning how to navigate the platform and set up your full Shopify website, I have a Shopify Beginners Training Kit. It covers the Shopify setup process in an organized and easy to follow way. A few things the training covers is choosing a domain and learning how to navigate the basics of the platform, adding and organizing products, setting up your store settings like payments, shipping, and taxes. It shows you how to create pages and menus, along with many more topics like your launch prep, Shopify apps, and marketing your store. The training also includes a 30-page digital planner to help you with keeping the overall backend of your store organized. I've designed it so that you can get all your setup information in just one place without having to surf the internet and get your information from dozens of different sources. I'm going to link the training in the description box below. Now you'll want to take a look at the product that you just listed. You want to go in and customize your website. Then you'll want to open the product page for the product that you just listed. I'm going to open the product through the example collection that I added the product to. This way you'll be able to take a look at the full product page. Also, if you like this website you see here, I'm going to have this theme template linked in my description box below. It's designed for clothing and apparel businesses, but you can use it if your business is in another niche. I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify themes designed for different businesses. Those will also be linked in the description box. And here is the finished product page. You should see close-ups of the product photos that you listed, along with the product description. And here's an example of the product video. I'm going to show you some ways to optimize this page for a higher conversion. You can also click on the mobile icon to see how this page can appear on a mobile device. And you'll see the product photo gallery as well on the mobile view. The first way you can optimize this page is to feature an email sign-up. Adding an email sign-up, especially with a sign-up offer, like a discount your customers will receive after they sign up, can actually make people want to purchase the product even more now that they have a discount. To add an email sign-up, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of this page. You want to hover over the footer bar, then click Add Section to Template. And I'm going to insert an email sign-up. I'm going to apply a new color scheme just to kind of set this section apart from the rest of the page. And when you click on the text, this is where you can mention the sign-up offer or the sign-up discount. You want to be sure to have an enticing sign-up offer to really make customers want to sign up. And once you save your product page, here's the finished display of the email sign-up. The next way to optimize your product page is to actually add a link to other product collections. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Then I'm going to hover over the footer again, and I'm going to click Add Section to Template. And I'm going to insert a featured collection. This is where you can feature another product collection so that when customers scroll to the bottom of this page, they can see recommendations of other products from your website that they also may be interested in purchasing. And you want to click Select to select a product collection that you would like to feature. This can really help to push out other products and even possibly increase your average order minimum since people are adding additional items that they saw from this section. Once you're finished, those are some ways to create a high converting and optimized product page on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching this video. My Shopify Beginners Kit will be linked in the description box below, along with where you can grab the Shopify theme shown in this video. I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify themes designed for many different types of business niches. The link for where you can check those out will be in the description box as well.